Okay, hello everyone. Here I want to provide tutorial on how to take a screenshot without button on Samsung M35 device. Well, knowing how to take a screenshot without relying on physical buttons offers users increased accessibility, convenience, and flexibility in capturing and saving important information. Okay, so let's go to the tutorial. To initiate the process, navigate to the settings menu on your device. Well, after that, scroll down, and then you can select the accessibility option. Okay, so within this section, you can choose the interaction and dexterity menu. So proceed to activate the assistant menu by clicking on Allow. Well, once the accessibility button appears, tap on it, and then select the screenshot tool to capture screenshot without using physical buttons. Okay, like that. As for the second method, access the control center and then click on the pencil icon to add the screenshot tool. Okay, next you can select edit under the desired page and then locate the screenshot tool and tap on it to add it to the control center. After successfully adding the tool, you can easily capture a screenshot by accessing the control center and tapping on the take screenshot option. Okay, that's the tutorial on how to take screenshot without button on Samsung M35 device. If you are helped by this video, don't forget to like and subscribe to get other information from this channel. Thank you.